Hello everyone, this is Anna from Lexiby Journals. Thank you so much for joining me today. I have a new journal, and this one is another forest woodland journal, and I've named it Forest Wonders. It is a journal that I have made using these gorgeous downloadables by Anya de, and her shop is on Etsy, and it is a whimsical adventure, and I will reference that down below the link of what I've used for this journal, all her downloadables, and also where you will be able to find them. So I hope you enjoy this process. Let's have a look at it. So this is the journal, and I have, as you can see, I have decorated it. This is a beautiful downloadable. This is something that I just loved when I saw it, this bare tree. And this is the time of the year where these trees start popping up their buds and creating lots of beauty in nature. So I thought this is a good time to actually, this is like the limit of the winter, the end of the winter and the beginning of the spring. So it's just an amazing time. So I've decorated it around with moss, and this is it's a tag, and my woodland journal, and I've also got lots of gold here, and it also has all these leaves on it that look like they're fallen leaves, or they're leaves that are going green, and you know, it's just I think matches this whole feeling of a beginning of something new. And this is from the top. You can see there's lots of things sticking out, and the sides. And I kind of like this type of journal. It's the woodland journals. I love the woodland journals. Okay, so let's have a look inside. So here I have added some end papers that are very much like a woodland. They give very much of a woodland feel, and some of you know they've seen these end papers before, and I like using them on my woodland journals. And this one is one of her printables, and I have sewn it on, and I have made it into a pocket. So it's a good, you know, in a way it's a good way to start the journal, where one can put their little, whatever they wanted, their little notes and things, and keep it safe there. There's this beautiful printable here, and then I've added all these little butterflies and little creatures around. Here is a skeleton tree, and I was in a pocket. I actually love the skeleton trees, so I have added quite a few in the journal, and I almost look at it as this moment where they're about to burst into their buds into the spring, into the new time that is coming now. So this is what I had in mind when I was making this journal, of the change from the winter to the spring, and this is exactly where we are at the moment here in the UK. So I thought it'd be something nice to create. And there's a tag here with some sari silk ribbon, some vintage sari silk ribbon, and I love the color. Again, it's a very promising color of green, the new. And this is the other side of the pocket, and it's got this gorgeous detail, and it's got this texture that's a bit like suede, so it looks lovely. So there's another pocket here, and more printables, and made in this gorgeous collage here. She's done some beautiful collages on her printables. There's a pocket with some ephemera, and there's this fern and all the details here. It's a really lovely piece of ephemera here, and some mushrooms and cards, and again this gorgeous detail and pocket. This is a pocket that is on both sides. There's another little folder here, some more printables with space for notes and writing as well. And I've added all these little pieces of ephemera and created these little tabs, and they all move around. There's some bunting here with gold thread, and some more of this beautiful printables. And here's a leaf ribbon. This is like a mirror, and it has space to slip in something. It's like a window. And I've created this detail here from printables. There's a card, a ephemera, and a butterfly, and some more here. Some other details. This is some of my washi that I added here. There's another skeleton tree, and there's a little folder which I have attached, sewn around, and some woodland walks there. This is a tree trunk, and I've added this. And there's some more of these printables, and another little folder which has been attached with some field notes and a leaf. And this is an assemblage that I made, and I've added this envelope here with some tickets. This is just a piece of washi that I added, and some washi here, but the rest is all from these downloaded the printables. There's another piece of washi and some feathers, a feather, this beautiful owl. And here is another window and some leaf sewn on. It's another skeleton tree and another leaf. There's some other ephemera here and notes, music notes. It's another piece of ephemera, another leaf. This is beautiful, very green. And here I have a glassine bag with some ephemera, mushroom ephemera, and here is another gorgeous old fern, vintage fern image and mushrooms. Now on a pocket again, one of those pockets that I've sewn on both sides, and mushroom ephemera. There's a butterfly. This is a detail that I've just added here from her printables, and another one. And there's a little note paper here for writing notes and things. And there's another owl here. The other side, again, beautifully decorated printable. And here's a tag on both sides with a bit more of this green ribbon. Here's another one. Okay. This is some of my washi, and another leaf. I love this page especially, and it has a quote, and I really love the design here, the combination of different elements from nature and tags. This is a mushroom page. I just added it onto the page because I liked it so much. Here's some field notes and another pocket, and some more, and another page that I really loved. And this is like lace. It is lace, and it's another printable with a dragonfly. And another leaf, more leaf here. The other side. I love this page. This is magical on it. So here. And this is the end, and I've created here a hole with this ribbon. And there it is. So I hope you enjoyed this flip through. This journal is going to be up on Etsy tonight, UK time 9 p.m. And I will list all the details of the links down below of how to find Ania's shop and all her gorgeous downloadables, her printables. Thank you so much for watching. Take care. Bye-bye.